Hi guys, today video is the my SIM card is stuck in this iPhone, so it's not coming up. I would like to show you. This is the stuck here. It's not coming up. This, and what we're gonna do. This is the plastic bottle. That I'm gonna cut it. That. I'm gonna cut the. Okay, I'm gonna cut that, and yeah, and I will get the piece of this plastic, piece of this plastic, just cut. Okay, this is the plastic. We try first. So this plastic very thin. Yeah. Okay. So what we're gonna do? I have also another backup. This is the card, business card, very tiny, thin one. So I'm gonna push it into this SIM card place. As you see, this is you're gonna push it inside. Oh, I see. This is. Let me see. I'll try with this business card. Yeah, it's inside. Push it inside. Same time. What are you gonna do? Pull it the SIM card place. Yeah. This. See, this is push aside. Hold on. The other side. Maybe I can try one more time. Just push it in. I'll try again. It's plastic one. Plastic always is bad. I mean, good to do that. It's stuck. This is stuck too. Okay. Oh no. Yes.